like your mama's pancakes, okay? Make it flat. Hey guys, what's up? Did you miss me? Just a little bit, just a little bit. Well, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, RaShon. I know I've been gone a little bit. If you did not know, I decided to take a little break, just about a week or so off, just to get myself together. It's been a lot going on in the world. I just had to protect the mental. But your girl's feeling a lot better. I'm back and I'm ready to go, okay? So today's video is brought to you by Wigtypes. They were kind of to send me another unit to review for you guys. But as always, you guys know the drill. If you do not, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so that was very easy to put down, you guys. Nothing crazy going on, but I did do a little bit of tweaking to make this unit, you know, good for me. Like I said, this unit comes to us from Wigtypes.com. It is from Janet Collection. I got the unit KIMMIE. This is what her card looks like. I got her in the color 1B, and this unit does retail for $22.94. We're jumping into summer, okay, on a budget, because I've been spending all my little coin on this quarantine on Amazon. So I need to see them digits, all right? Now, this unit does come with soft Swiss lace from ear to ear, as well as a deep side pre-pluck right part. It does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. Now, it does say this unit comes with a soft elastic wig band. If you don't believe me, there it is right there on the card, okay? Soft elastic wig band, as well as bam on the back. There we go, all right? I don't have one. So hear ye, Janet, okay? Kim doesn't have elastic band, all right? So I'm gonna need, I don't need it, but okay, I mean, I would like to have it if it's supposed to be there. Anyway, this unit does fit down pretty perfect on my 23-inch dome, okay? You guys know my head is swollen every day. This unit comes down ear to ear on both sides, as well as the front and back, very, very comfortably. I will say there's maybe like a little bit of space here on the side, but the way the cap is made is very ventilated, so you know it's going to stretch really well over your big dome. So even if you are bigger, okay, than 23 inches, you should be good to go. Now, you can wear this unit on your hairline based on how that lace feels. It feels amazing, but I will say if you are my skin tone or lighter, the lace on this unit is a little dark, okay? This is how that lace is looking on my hand. You can clearly see that lace on my hand. I personally put the unit behind my hairline and used my black pencil, as you saw in the put down, to color that lace in, and that was it. This unit is heat safe up to 360. Don't go over that. My little Remington joint right here was on 370, y'all. 370, and this joint was she was smoking, okay? So be careful. 360 and below is where she can sit. I have realized that Janet Collection is very particular on the amount of heat you can put on their units, and they tell you down to the degree, okay? 360, 375, 381. Now, I did go in and put some concealer and powder in my parting space. I wanted some lift up here over my eyes, so that's why I used my Bed Head mini hard head spray. I will tell you, this joint is one little spray is all you need, and that joint is in place, okay? She is hard-headed for sure. Okay, so that joint is sitting back on my head. It's a fly. Goodness gracious, people leave the doors open. Close them daggone doors. So I use a little bit of that to keep that unit in place and to take care of those flyaways. Wait a minute, wait up. See? The unit as a whole is okay, especially in that $20 price point. However, I will tell you, there's a con. The con for me is the thinness of this unit. If you are someone who just likes to pull her hair back into a ponytail and just put your wigs on, be careful with this joint. Because the cap is so ventilated, anything that protrudes out the back of your head or is not flat down to your head is going to poke out of that ventilated cap. Let me go ahead and spin for you real quick. Do you see what's happening? Do y'all see that? Yeah, she right there. See this little spike situation? See what's happening? Let me keep on spinning. Let me keep on spinning. Okay, I got another one somewhere over here. They right here. I can feel them sticking out. Let me keep on spinning. Keep on spinning. It's a little bit right here as well. Make sure your hair is flat under this unit. Flat like your mama's pancakes, okay? Make it flat because you do not want your man caressing the back of your head, trying to be all sexy time and feeling them lumps and bumps in the back of your head. He gonna have questions that need to be answered, okay? We don't want the problem. We don't want no problems. So not only is that because of the ventilated cap, but it's also because there's not a lot of hair on this unit. I will also say the texture of this unit is not what I thought it was. I thought I was gonna get that yucky type of thick texture, more of like the, you know, the Natural Me. I don't know why I thought this was part of the Natural Me collection. Put on your glasses, Kai. It does give off a more silkier type of texture, so if you're not a fan of that, then you're not gonna like this one. But I feel like she's a cute unit, okay? She gives me a little look. She got a little bump to her. She got a little sway. She just a little thin. Give me a couple more tracks. A couple more tracks. And don't tell me, oh, it's like that because it's only $20. And pause. I've seen $20 units from Janet Collection that were a little bit thicker than this for the same price, okay? Don't play me, Janet. Okay? But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Wigtypes for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.